Once upon a time, in a small town nestled amidst rolling green hills, there lived a young boy named Billy. Billy was a curious and imaginative child who loved to explore the world around him. One sunny afternoon, while playing in his backyard, Billy stumbled upon an old, rickety treehouse hidden amongst the branches of a giant oak tree. Intrigued, Billy climbed up the ladder and entered the treehouse. Inside, he found a dusty old book filled with strange symbols and drawings. As he flipped through the pages, a gust of wind blew through the open window, causing the book to fall open to a specific page. On it was a picture of a sparkling, crystal-clear lake surrounded by lush, green forests. Suddenly, the treehouse began to shake and spin, and Billy felt himself being whisked away on a magical adventure. He landed softly on the ground beside the very lake he had seen in the book. The sun shimmered on the water's surface, and the air was filled with the sweet scent of wildflowers. As Billy explored the enchanting forest, he encountered all sorts of fascinating creatures. He befriended a mischievous squirrel who led him to a hidden waterfall, and he helped a family of deer find their way back home. Along the way, he learned about the importance of kindness, friendship, and protecting nature. After a day filled with wonder and excitement, Billy began to feel a little homesick. He missed his family and his cozy bed. Just as he was thinking about how to get back, he noticed a shimmering portal in the middle of the lake. It looked just like the picture in the book. With a mix of excitement and nervousness, Billy stepped through the portal. The world spun around him, and in the blink of an eye, he found himself back in his treehouse, the dusty book still open to the same page. Billy climbed down the ladder, his heart full of joy and gratitude. He knew he would never forget his magical treehouse adventure, and he couldn't wait to share his stories with his friends and family. From that day on, Billy continued to explore the world with a sense of wonder and curiosity, always ready for a new adventure.